Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having a fabulous day and you are safe wherever you are. So what we are going to do today is, guys, we will be doing Cull Obsidian World Boss Ultimate one shots. It is a small guide, guys, how defense down works in World Boss Ultimate Cull Obsidian. We will be trying out different teams and strategies to clear up to stage 85 Cull Obsidian, and we will be one-shotting. Definitely we will be one-shotting them using the defense down. Now I again have to say, you definitely need to have weapon hex in your team. So without further ado, guys, let's start the video. And the first team we will be using is Dr. Octopus lead, Captain Hydra and Taskmaster. I have already told you how good of a synergy Captain America and Taskmaster has. So let's take a look at Dr. Octopus details, guys. As you can see, 123 attack speed, 44 crit rate, 182 crit damage, 48 ignore defense and maxed out reduce cooldown duration. And we know Captain Hydra and Taskmaster has a team bonus in which Captain Hydra uses his fourth skill, and that's what we are going to do. As you can see, gears are all at 25, skills 3, 5, skill level 3 and 5 are at level 6. Overdrive, ISO set, CTP of destruction and a mythic uniform. As you can see here, a mythic uniform. So nothing maxed out on my Dr. Octopus. If I had fully awakened ISO set and a CDP of energy, I can do pretty high of World Boss Ultimate, even Cull Obsidian. Now Dr. Octopus is a physical dealer, yet he can do this just because of the defense down. So as you know, Weapon Hex and Doctor Strange are a must. You do not require Doctor Strange in this stage, but it is good to have a backup. So how we are going to do this one, guys, I have already told you. We will hit the co-op, 3 cancel, 5 cancel and the 6th skill. Now how it works, as you hit the co-op skill, Weapon Hex comes and uses her 4th skill to create a base of 100% defense down, and Captain Hydra uses his 4th skill to fill up that 100%, and we get the defense down magic. Now you can also try this strategy with Professor X, and Professor X is a really good character. He is a mind damage elemental character, and you can see the details here. So let's take a look at the details. 120 attack speed, 44 crit rate, 169, almost 170 crit damage, 46 ignore defense and max out reduce cooldown duration. He is a elemental damage character, and somehow Cull Obsidian has elemental resistance, so definitely this is not the max out build for Professor X. If you have a CDP of rage, then it is amazing. You can do up to stage 70, no doubt you can go up to stage 70. So as you can see, I have a fully awakened Hawkeye ISO set bonus and a CTP of judgment. He has no uniform yet, and that's that's another thing. Like, if he gets a uniform, he will be another meta. So without further ado, let's get to the run, guys. So stage 60, we will be trying at stage 60, and this is the team. Weapon Hex and Doctor Strange are a must. Again, I am saying it, if you don't have Weapon Hex, you can get her from Danger Room Box and Dimension Missions, guys. So what we are going to do, we will hit co-op, 5 cancel, 4 cancel, 2 cancel, 1 cancel, 3, and boom. That's easy. 6-second clear, guys. Stage 60 done. If you have a CTP of rage, you can go up to stage 70. Now the next team we will be using is we know Cable, guys. Now we know Cable has one of the best burst damage in the game, and we will be prioritizing that. You definitely don't require this uniform, but if you have the latest uniform, it's a benefit, you know. And if you don't have this uniform, you can do it with the Cable and the Deadpool uniform. So let's take a look at my Cable. So he's not very high of a build. Maxed out attack speed and skill cooldown, 47 crit rate, 188, you can take it to 189 crit damage, 45 ignore defense, ignore dodge is 103. Oh my god, that's really high. So without further ado, guys, let's check out what his gears details are. So as you can see, he has all 25 gears, and I have 5-star Urus on him. Except the first skill, all are at level 6. Type enhancement 2, fully awakened power of Angry Hulk ISO set bonus, and a CTP of energy with a mythic uniform. So he is decently built, guys. I will not say he is overly built. I do not have any Odin's blessing on him. So without further ado, let's get to the run. Now we will be doing stage 70 now. So let's try out stage 70 now. With Cable, it is very easy. The rotation is very simple and easy. What you have to do is very simple. Just hit the co-op skill, wait for a second, then third skill, as he slaps, cancel it into the fifth skill. That's it. So co-op 3 5 and boom. Just look at the damage, guys, and one shotted stage 70 in 6 seconds. So that is pretty amazing. Cable is still viable and he's amazing, guys. So what is the next team that we are going to use? Yeah, guys, I am not breaking down the defense down just because we are using the same Captain Hydra and Taskmaster lead. So we are definitely going to use Saren Rogers. So without Saren Rogers, Cull Obsidian is incomplete. So we will be trying out again stage 70 with Saren Rogers. As you can see, her details, see again, is not very high of a build, 44,000 rank. Attack speed, ignore defense, and skill cooldown are maxed out. Crit damage is 190, 48 quick rate, and that's it, guys. I guess the gears are all at 25. I have 5-star Urus on her. All of her skills are at level 6. Type enhancement at rank 4. Fully awakened power of Angry Hulk ISO set bonus, and a CTP of energy with a 200% damage proc. That stats are really good, you know. And we have a mythic uniform. So without further ado, guys, let's jump right into the world boss ultimate run. And again, guys, the defense down technique is really simple. Weapon Hex will hit her fourth skill to create a base of 100% defense down, and Captain Hydra will fill up that gods to 100% mark. And we know Saren Rogers has really high burst damage, so that's what we'll be using in one-shotting. So here we go, guys. The rotation is very simple. Co-op, cancel it into 3, cancel 5, cancel 4, and boom. It is really simple, guys. And this team, man, the Taskmaster and Captain Hydra team is really OP, and we can use different characters. And the next team we will be using, we know this is the best team, guys, and it is none other than Beta Ray Bill. You definitely need to have Beta Ray Bill awakened. If transcended, he will be amazing. And he is by far the best character to one-shot Cull Obsidian. We will be using Nick Fury leadership. As you can see, 50% all attack increase. And we will also be using his tier 2 passive. Super armor all defense increases damage dealt to super villain by 55%. So as you can see here, 30% Phyla Wells tier 2 passive, 30% increase of all attack, and skill damage bonus damage, which Beta Rebuild doesn't have. We will be prioritizing his awakened skill, and that has some shit ton of damage, guys. It is really amazing. And as you can see, he doesn't have skill damage bonus damage, so Phyla Well is going to give him a pretty good amount of buff. As you can see, attack speed, crit damage, ignore defense, and reduce cooldown duration are all maxed out. So I have invested quite a bit on my Beta Ray build. His crit rate is 51%, and as you can see, all of his gears are at 25. As you can see here, I have a 5-star energy attack and ignore defense Urus on him. All his skills, not all, 5, 4 and 3 are at level 6. I didn't bother to go any further for 1 and 2. Type enhancement is as rank 3. Power of Angry Hulk fully awakened ISO 8 set bonus, and we have a crit damage 200% damage proc obelisk on him. No uniform yet. So yeah, 5803 rank in the world, so not bad of a rank. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into the run, and we have to talk about the defense down here. We will be breaking down the defense down here. So we are trying stage 80, guys, and the team is very simple. Nick Fury lead, Phyla Well as a support, and Beta Ray Bill. We will have Weapon Hex and Doctor Strange in our striker list. Now how it works, guys, is is very simple. It is really simple, but it is complicated at the same time. What we will be doing, we will hit the Nick Fury buff, get the attack buff, and we will do co-op 3 cancel, 5 cancel, 4 cancel, 6th skill. Now how it works, guys, weapon hex comes and puts a base of 100% defense down, and Beta Rebel with these many amount of hits definitely gets 100% defense down, and boom, he is really consistent, guys. He is only the one character that is really consistent on defense down. Like every time I come to stage 80, it is a one shot, definite one shot. So we will be pushing it to the max, guys. Stage 85 Cull Obsidian. Now why I say he is the best, this is because, if I had a CTP of energy and a bit high conqueror level, I definitely think he can do stage 91 shot, and that is really amazing. Here we did co-op 4 cancel, 5 cancel, 3 into the 6th skill, and boom, 9-second clear, guys, stage 85. Now why you should be trying to do the one shots? Why is it necessary? It is not necessary, guys. It is for fun, and number 2, if you want to do that 100-second challenges, which is pretty tough considering Cull Obsidian has really high defenses. So if you want to clear the world boss ultimate challenges under 100 second or 140 second, this will be a good method, guys, and it is pretty simple, guys. All you need to know is teaming up to have that 100% defense down with weapon hacks. You definitely need to have weapon hacks at least at 6 star. You do not require her at tier 2, so get her from the danger room box and give her a 6 star mega rank up ticket, and you are good to go. So that's it for today, guys.